Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you very important something. Today I want to teach you how to lock your gas cylinder so that no one can make use of it. How to lock your gas cylinder so that no one can make use of it until it comes back. But before then, please do well to subscribe, like or share. It's free of charge. So as it goes, this is the gas cylinder we're talking about. Any gas cylinder, most especially a camping gas cylinder. What you needed are: one, your iron chain. Look at it. This is a tiny iron chain. Keep it by side. Then you need a jerry can that has a handle. That has handle like this. You see, not too big, not too small. This is the second thing you need. Then you need a padlock. Just a very small padlock. A very small padlock. Strong as well. This is one of the things you need. Then finally, you need a pot. At least to show that what we are talking about is real. So at least now, this is the things we needed to make this thing work. So let's go there. So the first thing you need to do is to pick up your chain, you see, pass it through the handle of the cylinder, now go around the burner, pass it through the hole on that burner pan. See the way I'm doing it. Then as it is now, you get your jerry can. Pass the chain through the handle of the jerry can, the way I'm doing it. Let's look at it very well. Then pass it again through the hole on the pan or the burner. See the way I'm doing it? Just like this. Just like this. Then join the two chains. Join the chains together. As it is, you have to make it a tight fixed. Don't let it slack. A tight fixed connection. Make sure that you draw the chain together. Then you use your padlock. Unlock it. Make it a tight fix. Use a padlock. Unlock the one doing it. Locked. Then take your key. As it is now, with this jerry can on top, nobody can place top on top of that burner. If you like it, try. See? You cannot place pot on top again. And again, there is no way you can remove that rubber. And as it is, you cannot even remove the burner. Look at it. No matter how you try to remove the burner, it will still be there. So as it is now, your gas cylinder is secured. You cannot remove the jerry can. That's just it. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like and share. Thanks once again for watching.